Ford Ranger T6 door latch issue. So this Ford Ranger, the left passenger door latch is damaged, doesn't lock. So I'm gonna do a video showing how to remove it. Yeah. So these are the nuts that hold the latch. 1, 2, 3. Then you have to remove this guy. You can do it with a screwdriver, or if you have a tool that you can use, a screwdriver will work. Just push it in, gently do that, and it will come out. So it will be like that. Then just by the door handle, you can push in your screwdriver there, remove the cover, and there's a screw in there that needs to come out. And you have another one at the bottom there, and another one there. Then this cover comes out. And I'm going to show you some more now to remove the other parts. And we'll remove where the tweeter sits. Just the cover is enough to allow this to be out. I'm going to close the window. So at some point we need the window. We need to move the screw from the window rail. To do the job successfully, you need a set of T screw. So it's T27, T25, T20, T15, T10. So these will come in handy, and the bigger ones are those. So if you have this set, then you're good to go. Yeah, these Allen keys will do better. It will do the job that we need to be near. Screw it there. Yeah, that one in there, and that one. The other ones that hold. And this is where we are now. Cover is out. So we just move this guy. Okay. So give us access to where we want to get to. So now that we have got access, this is the guy we want to remove. This is the guy we want to remove. So we have to remove that nut, push the window rail a bit so it creates more room, and we shall have to free this guy in the door handle. So we have to remove that guy. There's the nut there, which will help us free this handle. Once we do that, we are good to go. This is the new part. This is what's going to go there. Yeah, for Moko. So this is another area where we need to remove. To just untighten, we don't remove. Just untighten that nut. You need the T15 there. It will help us release that guy. All right. Now that the deed is done, we'll just pull the dude out. Once this guy is out, push this guy up, pull them out. Once they're out, this is the nut that needs to be loosened. Yeah. So once again, you need the T20, T15. Yeah. and the T25. So now this guy is loosened here. Okay, for safekeeping, can keep this, can take it out, avoid losing it. Yeah, can take it out, avoid losing it. So now this guy is unfastened there. So we need to remove this guy and remove this guy so that we can move the window rail and just move this dude a bit so that this guy can freely move. Once we do that, then voila, we have removed the guy. All we need now is start putting back. Yeah. So now we have to remove that nut there, and there's one at the bottom. Yeah, at the bottom, that one there. Yeah, once we remove these two, we are ready to change. This is the guy finally out. That's where the difference is. The other one is, this is CL, and I bought DL, but the part is the same, so it will work. I tried to do some DIY, tried to fix this guy, managed to open it up, put it back, but it only worked for a day. It was a fair DIY. So I decided to buy a new one, a brand new, from another vehicle. So now I'm fitting it. So now this guy is out. We have to put the new guy. We need to put the new guy. So these cables, the ones that are on the car, still functional. I will use those. So we'll just remove these ones and put back. So if you see, this is the difference. Yeah. Otherwise, nice one. All right. Let's beat it. Oh, beat it. Yeah. Just finishing up the job now. Okay, so done the fixed. So as you put back the handle, just ensure it latches there so it works effectively. Yep. Now last bit, adding the cover. So it is done now. All done. Oh, just one bit. Looks nice. Now it is all done. It is all done. All set. All look fitted. We close. Oh, nothing. Open. Close. Open. It's all good, man. It's all good. One last try. It's locked. Try and pull it from inside. And it's not opening. Let's open it. Yeah, thank you, man. Okay, guys. So this has been the Ford Ranger T6 door latch replacement video. So once more, this you need this Allen key set. The important ones are 25, T25, T20, and T15. With these, you're good to go, and the star screwdriver will be very handy. Yeah.